Hello friends and welcome in the another episode of DIY Master, and in this video I am going to unbox this Lava Z66 smartphone. And this is our second video of unboxing, and usually we don't upload this sort of video on this channel, but since we have recently bought it from the Flipkart, so that's the reason why it's an Indian brand and we don't have hesitation to promote our Indian brand. So let's unbox this pack and see how this phone looks like and what are the features we are getting with it. So as you can see, this is the Z66, and with that, if we bought this Jio connections, we will get 1200 rupees instant plus 50 GB data. But we don't bought this together. And now Z66 with 6.08 HD display with 2.5D curved glass. It means we don't need to put tempered glass with the on the screen. 13 plus 15 megapixel rear camera and 13 megapixel front camera. That's a very good configuration for the camera. 3 GB RAM and 32 GB of ROM. That's a very another feature of this phone. Octa-core processor, and the main important thing is this phone is made in India. Of course, this entirely made in India except few component which was maybe exported from our rival countries, but that doesn't matter for us. Okay, so there is nothing except these things. Okay, these are values, EMI number and the MRP. You can see the MRP 8,499, and we have got this phone in with 1000 rupees of discount. Okay, so let's unbox this another wrap. So as you can see, there is a lava seal that shows that this pack is brand new. It's not refurbished. Maybe sometime this sort of seal, if we found this seal is broken, then we must return it. Okay, so there is a 2 seal. Now this is our phone. Actually, you can see it is nicely packed with a thin poly bag. Okay, so you can see there is a film for protection, another film for protection here also, and until we look at other things which is in the box, let's start the boot time. Okay, the phone has started, the countdown is also started, and till that we can see the remaining material in the box. There's a charger, and we just need to confirm that how much capacity this charger have. As I'm able to see, okay, it is quite fast. Usually when we boot first time any smartphone, it usually take one minute or maybe more, but this phone took almost 30 seconds. That is quite fast. So we will set up this phone later, but we need to see the okay, so the output is 1500 milliampere, 1.5 ampere. That is quite good charger. And if we look other things, so we have this data cable, or you can say charging cable, and this slot ejection pin. Apart from this, there is nothing inside. It means there is no headphone. Okay, so Lava is also making cost cutting. Okay, so let's check this phone. Okay, we can start with English Indian, or we can choose other things also. Start Indian. So we want to, if we want to connect the SIM, we want to connect the network, either we can use the SIM card network, or we can use the Wi-Fi network. So we have Wi-Fi network, we can do the same thing. Okay, start again, skip for now. See, so this is the installing update. It means this operating system support quick updates. Usually most of the phone don't uh, update themselves while first boot, and till the time this phone get updated. Let's talk about the screen. This is a notch screen. You can see there is a soft button within the screen. There is no hard button. Okay, and you can see the camera, front camera, in a center top of the screen, and there is a earphone also. If we turn it back, we can see two cameras with a flash and the fingerprint sensor at the back. That's a good thing. Okay, so copy app, and don't copy. The boot time was good. Okay, so we will update the email ID. Okay, so the password would be good. So we have got few things. We will, if we insert the email ID which we have already used in another smartphone. So this sort of verification we need to get it. Okay, we will get the security step 2 verification code on a registered number. That's a very good thing about Google account and or the Android phone. With the login with the Gmail, we can restore the app as well as the other setting. The setup is done. Okay, now we can insert the SIM also, but we will do it later. We just want to check the camera quality and other hardware information which was already shown on the box, but still, since we are human, so making confirmation is our nature. Security log. So if we like, we can skip that for the time. Skip. We can add it later. We would also add the fingerprint sensor. Okay, it's quite boring setup. No card. Skip for. No thanks. Okay, so this is the start screen actually. Now we can see there is lots of things like WhatsApp, Facebook, super chat, assistant. These are the few things which we already have. As we already add the account, we will get the all contact number. Now let's see the camera quality. Okay, so we will short few images, like we will take the image of this charger and will analyze how good this camera is. Okay, We got the image. That's the front camera. Oh, look at the view. We can easily see the alphabets and with very clear images. Anyway, so this rear camera is really good, I can say that. And what about the front camera? Let's see. Okay, there is few things written on the back of my own camera. So let's see. Okay, I can see the Sony and the things which was written, which is written on my own camera. Okay, there is a 13 megapixel camera. Okay, so that is also good. The front camera and rear camera both are working very good, and especially in this light condition, it's an artificial, fluorescent light condition. So if we use this camera in a sunny day, we can expect the best image. Okay, now the last thing which we want to see, the hardware configuration and the OS. Actually, we know the hardware and the OS also, but still let's check about the device. Z66 and SIM slot, RAM 3GB, internal 24 available, and system Android version 10. Okay, that's Android 10. So this is all about this phone. I hope you enjoy that video. If you like, or if you have any comment, you can ask in the comment section. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching us.